To apply to a master's degree, you should access to the candidate portal and registrate. After the registration, you will receive an email with your username and password. In that email, you should confirm your registration by clicking on the blue link. Then back to the portal and log in with your username and password. Validate your consent. Now click on Applying for a course. Select the option Masters Application. In this page, you must choose the school or faculty which teach the degree and then select the master which you want to apply. You can choose until 3 options of the same school or faculty. Now, fill in your personal data and click on Next. The fields with a red asterisk are mandatory. Then will appear a list with the prerequisites and you should click on Next. In this page, you must upload the required documents and click on Next. The documents with a red asterisk are mandatory. Now you will see your admission summary. If everything is right, click on Finish. Then click on Formalize Candidacy. Now click on Missing Payments to pay the registration fee. Select the fee and click on Items to Pay. Then choose the payment method and click on Next. Confirm the payment data and make the payment. After the payment, your application will be complete.